All right, so before we start creating our detail view, let's go ahead and create our first view model. So we're going to create our detail view model. So I'm going to select a new file, and it's going to be SwiftUI view, and we're going to actually, you know what, it's going to be a Swift file, and we're going to name this DetailView view model. Okay, so this is going to be the view model for detail view. And we're going to create a final class DetailView view model. All right. Now this class is going to basically host properties and functions that are necessary for our detail view. Okay. So first thing we're going to have is a topic. Okay. And we are also going to have all courses. All right. We're going to have a property topic name, which is going to be of string type, and it's simply going to return topic dot raw value. Okay. And then going to have our initializer. And this initializer is going to take topic. Okay, and that's how we're going to initialize our topic variable. Okay, it's going to have one more function, course by topic. Okay, so we're going to supply the topic, and it's going to return an array of courses, basically filtered by that topic. So we're going to simply take all courses, can apply filter on it, and we're going to simply say 0 first argument dot topic is equal to the topic that's been given to us. Okay, so that is our detail view model. Okay, next we're going to create our detail view utilizing this view model.